Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to help you how to promote your YouTube videos using Google Ads. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's get started. So you have to do sign up on Google Ads if you haven't created any account on Google Ads. I have already created a video on this and you can find on the channel as well. But I don't I want to skip that step and just want to show you the setup process of how to run the ads. Okay, so after signing in, once your account is set up, you will be seeing this dashboard in front of you. You just need to click on new campaign. Okay, and then click on create campaign without goal audience. Now you will be seeing a video tab here. Just click on it because you want to promote your video across the web and also on the YouTube. Now you will see multiple radio buttons. You need to select custom video campaign, which is by default selected here. So let's continue. Now this is the interesting part. Now everything has to be done here. You can set up your campaign name the way you want to remember, so that you identify, like if you're running 10 or 15 campaigns, then by using the campaign name you will get to know like this campaign is for which video. Okay, so I am going to promote a particular video on my from my channel. For example, I want to promote this video. Okay, so I'm going to take the name of this video just for my knowledge and paste it here. You can maximum enter the name up to 128 characters. Okay, let's move forward. So what strategy you want to promote use to promote the videos? So there are two options: maximum CPV and target CPM. The CPV means like how much you are willing to pay for cost per view. CPV means cost per view. And target CPM means how much you are willing to pay for 1000 impressions for your video. But we want to increase our video views, then that's why we are going with the strategy of CPV. So we have selected maximum CPV. Let's move forward. What is your campaign total? How much you are willing to pay for this campaign? Okay, you want to add the total amount, like for example, I want to add 1000 rupees. Okay, that means this campaign has the maximum amount to spend is 1000 rupees, and I can set the duration, like I want to run the campaign from this date to a particular date. Then Google will spend whole amount in that particular date range, and you can use the custom date range selected here by default by Google. But I don't want to go with the lifetime budget. I want to go with the daily budget. So in the daily budget, I want to spend 100 rupees per day. Okay, and the campaign will start from this date, and I want to add the end date on 10th of November. Okay, so you can see the stats here, like how much data I'm going to target. Okay, now you need to go down and select the networks. I don't want to I don't want to promote on video partners on the display network, so I am going to uncheck this. I only want to promote my YouTube video to get the views only on the YouTube. Okay, so you just need to uncheck this. Now I have the option to select the custom locations. So I have already entered for this account Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, because the cost per view from these countries are very less compared to other English speaking countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. If you want to promote explicitly for those audience of those countries, then the budget will be high. But my agenda is to increase the number of view from Google Ads. It doesn't matter from which country I'm going to get the views. So that's why I have added these settings. Now, I only want to target the users who speak English because my all videos are in English. And if I am creating videos in Hindi, then I will add Hindi as well. Okay. Now, coming back to the content exclusion part, what kind of inventory you want to target? Like standard inventory is recommended, but I want to go with expanded inventory. Okay, so that we can have maximum exposure and reach to the audience. Okay, now what kind of content you want to uh, exclude? I don't want to show my ads on the embedded YouTube videos and live streaming videos because people doesn't watch the video ads on these uh, embedded videos and live streaming videos. Okay, so I will uncheck this because there are certain content which are not labeled yet, but I want to have the exposure on those areas. Now I want to add the related videos. So I want to add these two videos. One is this, second is I would suggest to have recommended videos or related videos which are related to the above video because the audience are more interested uh, to the similar content to engage with your YouTube channel. Okay. Now you can see the preview. For example, this is my video ad and you can see how these related video will be shown just below the main video ad. Just click on done. Now you just need to click on additional settings. This is important. Like I only want to target uh, only on the mobile, not on computer, not in tablets, and not on TV screen. Why I'm unselecting this? Because the cost per view on mobile phones is very cheap compared to computers, tablets, and TV screens. So if you are going to promote your video on computer and tablet and TV screen, then your cost per view will be high. So just make sure that you use this option wisely. And I will take rest of the action as default. What is the frequency capping? That means how much impression you want to show to the same user. I want to show one impression per day only, or you can change the frequency per week or per month, and cap per view frequency, like how much views you want from a particular user in a same day or same week or month. I want to have only one view per month from the same user. Okay. Now, if you want to select the ad schedule, like you don't want to run your ads whole time, all the 7 days of the week, then you can add the customization. Like I want to run the ads only on Saturday or Sundays, Monday or Fridays. You can select the days and the time from which you want to run the ad and the end time. You can do the customization, but I will leave it as it is and I will move forward. Third party measurement. This is nothing to do with you. So you just skip this option for now. Now you need to enter the campaign name. So I will uh, add this as a PBC YouTube videos. This is my channel short name. So just for my understanding, and you can select the demographics. For example, I don't want to show these ads to the user of 65 plus, 55 to 64 plus, and not to 45 to 54. So I want to target these three audience. And if you want to select any other or deselect any other demographic, then it is up to you. Now, if we are going in the audience segment section, then it is going to help you to select the audience based on the segment and the kind of industry you want to target based on their habits. I want to target the users who are in blogging and vlogging and interested in YouTube. So I will try to enter the related keyword. For example, YouTube. Okay. So these are the people who are more interested in the YouTube thing. So I will add those users as YouTube videos original and how to make YouTube channel. Okay. So you can select many other as well from these areas like similar segments and all. These are the different audience. So I have selected this for this purpose, and you can see there are 33 million impressions I can get from this audience that I have selected so far from different countries based on the interest. And just select this option, reach more people who are similar to the selected audience, because AI engine of Google Ads is going to help you to target the audience which are not, you never think of uh, based on the selection. So Google Ads will also going to achieve your target if you select this option as the expandation. Now select the keywords you want to target. That means this your ad will appear only on the keywords you will enter here. And for getting the relevant keywords, I am going to use one tool which is rapidtags.io. This tool is going to give me the relevant keywords. So I have entered community tab on YouTube. So it has given me around 7, 10, 10, 15 keywords. So I have to just click on copy and then paste here. Now you just need to, okay. So you just need to enter the keywords here and it will be done. And if you want to do certain kind of placement targeting, like for a particular channel or for a particular video you want to uh, show your ads on, then you can add the URL of the video. Okay. For example, I want to uh, show my ads on the channels who or YouTube videos where community tab on YouTube as the keyword has been written, or they have made video on the same. So okay. Okay, so no results are matching here, so I will skip this option for now. But you understand the feature of this part, right? So you can even select the topics here. I want to target the internet and telecom, and then let's move forward. Now enter the YouTube video you want to promote. So just copy the URL and paste it here. You will see this preview. Just click on in-feed video ad. Skippable in-stream video ad means people can skip your video ad after 4 or 5 seconds. Usually we skip the video, then that means it is not going to help to get the relevant views for your YouTube video ad. Now you just need to enter the headline. So I'm going to write enable and post community tab on YouTube channel. So there is a copyright issue on YouTube channel name you cannot use as a YouTube word. So enable community tab. I'm going to use as a headline on your channel. simultaneously see the preview of your ad here. So I'm going to enter this as step by step, right? And then watch now. You can enter the name of the ad or you can leave it as it is. Now you can see how many ads we have created in this ad group. If you want to create more ad copies in this ad group, then click on new video ad and follow the same process that we have done as of now. How much you are willing to pay for per view? So I'm maximum willing to pay for 10 paisa or 0.10, but Google is recommending me to put 1.3 rupees, 1.53 rupees per view for this campaign. I would suggest to enter this value here. Reason why I'm using this, because once your campaign started picking up based on Google AI engine, then you can reduce this cost per view bid. If you are going to initially before running any campaign or before starting your campaign, if you are going to enter very less value, like I was about to enter like 0.10 rupees, that means my campaign will definitely not going to pick up by Google AI engine. So I need to follow the rules that they are recommending. Once my campaign started getting the impressions and views, then I can reduce the cost per view bid after 1 or 2 days. Okay. Once you are satisfied, you can see the total impression is 1.3 million based on the filtration I have done here. Just click on create campaign. Okay. So I need to remove the comma from here and enter the keyword one per line. For this video, I'm going to remove rest of the keywords just not to make the video long. So I am going to enter only 2 keywords for now. Now I can see the impression goes down and very relevant. Now you just need to go down and click on continue. Okay. So we need to fix this kind of errors if you have any error. So this is the only procedure you need to follow. Okay. Okay, you can see my campaign is ready and it has been published, and you can see the total settings here. So guys, this is all about this video, and I think you have learned the steps how you can use this basic campaign setup to promote your videos on YouTube so that your videos can get some views and traction to grow your channel. So keep subscribing my channel, and if you like this video, do share with your friends. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.